Minecraft. I like it, Kudgy.
The artistry. This painting is so realistic. It looks like you could step straight into it. And you can.
Wow.
Wow, I love this TV so much for the Sandy Jr. But wait, oh no, where did sister go?
I'm here. Mom, my dad says I like your country and punches me.
What? Oh my god. He is going in big trouble. I'm telling your dad right now.
Hello. Today I'm going to play nuts and bolts.
এই তোর হইছে করতে বসবি না তো
SpongeBob, did you play nuts and bolts?
Yes.
Oh my god. SpongeBob, how dare you play nuts and bolts? You know that sister scream. That's it. You are grounded for 100 days. Now go to your room right now.
Wah. If you enjoy this video, hit like button and subscribe. See you, but get the out of here.